Hey guys, we're here at Savannah Boom Airport. Today, our daughter and her boyfriend, whom we stayed with in Florida, are gonna come here for a month. So we're gonna be hanging out with them for the next month and showing them Thailand. We're so excited, especially Anne. She's very excited to see her daughter. Can't wait to see her again.
Yes.
And they should be coming in a minute.
Here they come.
Is that them? I don't see them.
Like that.
Look who made it. Get you on film. Hello, good to see you. Glad to see you too. Long flight, huh?
Long flight, yeah.
Hey Bruno,
How are you?
good to see you.
Good to see you.
So long flight? Longest flight you've ever been on?
Enjoy your stay. Thank you so much. Where are we going today?
To visit my grandmother.
Where is it? ปากคลองตลาด
Yes, Pakotalat.
The other side of Bangkok. Are we going to take a boat today?
Yes, we are.
Here we go. First time Bruno is taking tuk-tuk. Tuk-tuk.
My fun time.
We're gonna go into the temple. Look like we're gonna have to. I have some shot. I'm gonna have something to cover. And Nikki gonna have something to cover her. อันนี้ไปเช่าผ้าตรงไหนคะ
นั่นไหนเลยพี่
Us girls needs to get it covered. Top and bottom.
They have this, the skirt cover for you to pick it up. You can cover it, it's free. Even the shorts.
Alrighty. Let's go.
I like my you guys, we just finished the Wat Po temple, right? And Nikki want to see some floating market. We just take a tuk-tuk and come here. We're gonna jump on the long tailboat and go to see floating market in Bangkok.
Exactly.
Dẹp tông máy à?
Okay. We're gonna have so much fun.
I need a life jacket. I can't swim.
Life jacket's right there. We should be fine. So now you're in it for the ride. Find out. Ready?
We get a life jacket, thank God. Now we stop at the Big Buddha temple.
Well, originally we paid for the boat just so we sit on the boat for an hour and just, you know, don't have to stop anywhere. And well, somehow we, you know, the lady who sold us the boat tour shocked us with the tour that lasted 2 hours with 2 stops.
And I've been baking in the sun. Oh my God, it's soaking my energy.
Your little hangover building. You see with the golden top? Yeah.
What a ruin!
Beautiful.
So here we are, the 4 of us in Yaowarat, doing a taste test on the street food. So Nikki and Bruno are gonna get really wild on us. For me, I've kind of already eaten, but Ann will probably have some food too. So let's check out. It's a crowded night down here. Lots of food stalls.
Let's see. Get this little one right here.
30 บาทจ้าใส่ถุงไหมจ๊ะไม่ใส่ค่ะ
ทานเลยค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ So this is called ขนมถ้วย and Nikki and Bruno gonna try it.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Tasty?
Yes.
Yeah
What's
it
in
is
them?
coconut
Bruno, you try it. Put one in my mouth there.
You know Bruno likes it because he actually comes back for more. Otherwise, you say it's good and don't you want to eat it? เราไม่เคยผ่านที่นี่ไหมหรือว่าเคยผ่านไหม
ไม่เคยค่ะ
Oh, Bruno. Eat some bugs for you.
You want to try?
Scorpion.
What's that? Ammonia?
Maggie.
Oh, Maggie. So Bruno, for only 5 baht.
5 baht?
5 baht. How much?
50.
Oh, 50 baht. Okay.
5 baht.
So we're talking about maybe $1.30, $1.40. So he has gotten a big basket of bugs here, and he's going to try them.
Got a variety too.
Yeah, you got a variety. Let's see how far he can make it. What was that?
Okay. See?
That's my one. Yeah, pretty good.
What was the
Like
name
corn.
of the bug?
I have no idea.
Nobody knows. No, I'm
I
trying to
mean,
answer.
well, I don't know about this,
This
but
one.
the other one is more.
Worm.
Sure, safe to eat.
Yeah.
I mean,
Thanks for finding out.
sooner or later you'll find out.
They're supposed to be a good source of protein.
Yeah, it is a good source of protein. Is it?
All right, Nikki's getting on the action
She's like
too.
corn.
Tastes like corn? Probably from all the corn they feed them.
Have this yet? The grasshopper?
Oh, okay, there's Bruno.
You see? You hear the crunchiness of its tail.
How is it?
Just chew it a lot, just to be the safe side.
I am amazed at your adventurism.
I'm so
There
chewy.
goes Nikki. What do they taste like?
There's not much flavor, but
Yeah, no, I don't think the guy put enough Maggi into it. So it's the, what do you call it?
it tastes how it looks.
Bland. But I guess this is how it's supposed to taste like,
Could
with
you-
no seasoning.
Could you see if you were starving to death eating off that whole cup? Just to fill up?
Yeah.
No? Okay.
Oh, your mom's gonna kill me.
You guys are impressive.
We just order some Chinese dumpling fried Chinese dumpling.
So they're going to bring it out in a minute, and we'll ask everybody how it tastes. It looks pretty good.
Cool people, like, look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, you look for the crowds, and those are the those are the ones that are real popular. The crowds. Get the taste in. You want to do it? You want me to?
I can foam it first.
Okay.
You want some sauce in there?
What's in there? Tell us what's in there.
It's the
Crab,
crab meat.
fried.
Very good though.
Crab dumpling, fried dumplings.
Now you're gonna put on the miracle sauce. What's in there?
This is a plum sauce. Mẹ can ราดได้เลยนะราดเลยไหมคะ
Sure.
Now Bruno's gonna give it a try.
How you like it? มีด้วย
Anne's gonna give it a try.
This is my favorite one.
What's it called in Thai?
หอยจ้อ
Hot jaw.
หอยจ้อ
Oi jaw.
crunchy the outside and soft and inside.
Yeah.
a lot of crab meat inside.
And how much did that cost?
200 baht.
Oh, 200. So $6.
From 180 baht.
Okay. Okay, we have decided to go down here a little ways. There is a Michelin place down here, although nobody wants to really eat the food here. It's not that it's bad. It's just that they've been eating so much, I don't think they have enough room in their stomachs. Here we go. Michelin 2019 to 2023. Pretty impressive for street food. Now we're gonna check out.
It's long line, we don't want to wait. Let's go.
It's either a duck or chicken back there. Thank you. What do you guys want? Ooh, what's that, darling? What's in there? That's gelatin?
Yeah.
And what's on top?
Crab.
Crab.
Crab jelly.
Crab jelly.
jelly.
Let's look at all these delicious rolls. Serves up here. Okay, Nikki's going down on it.
How's it taste?
Yummy.
Is it sweet?
Yeah,
Is
it's
there
sweet.
brown sugar on the top?
Yeah, brown sugar on the top.
What is it?
Grass jelly with syrup. Stop walking. There wasn't salad.